Hello, welcome back. In today's session, we want to insert the default data to different tables. In the user management module, we have different tables like user, role, function, and function role. In today's session, we want to insert all the default data to these tables. So, before watching this session, I strongly recommend you to watch our previous session because we integrated login form with library application. That is good. Anyway, let's open MySQL Workbench. So here we have the default data for different tables. We have function table, then we have role table. After that we have function role table. Thereafter we have user table. To know better, we want to explain each table shortly. So in the function table, you want to store forms or pages of the application. As you can see, here we have home page, manage students, manage books, and so on. So as you can see, in the library application, we have different pages like book edit form, we have home page, we have main application form, we have manage books and manage students, and so on. So, and here in MySQL Workbench, for the function table, we assigned the exact page that we have already defined in the library application. Okay, after that we have role table. And this table is responsible to store different roles like administrator, student, and teacher. And you can insert each role from the application also because we have already implemented. So thereafter we have function role table. So in the function role table we will store user authorization. As you can see here we specified role ID and function ID. And here we assigned role ID 1 which is administrator. And we assigned all the application pages or forms one by one. So thereafter we have user table. In the user table you want to store username, password, and role. It means this user acts as administrator because here we specified role ID which is 1. And now this user which is admin can have access to all the application. Anyway, let's execute the script to insert data one by one to each table. As you can see, all the data inserted successfully to each table. That is good. For the user management, we prepared all the data in a correct manner. So, in our next video session, we want to access application pages based on the user authentication. One thing you remember, this is the fourth session of the user management series. To know better, please watch our previous videos. And we provided previous videos link on the description. So, if you have any questions, you can write them in the comment. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. That is enough for today. Have a good day. See you in the next one.